In this video, we will show you how to replace your front bumper cover bracket on this Honda Civic. This will be located directly behind your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way over to the wheel well of the side you are working on. In this area, you're going to find a small Phillips head screw right up in this hole. Go ahead and remove that screw. Now with that out of there, carefully grab onto the bumper cover itself and gently tug it away from the area. You'll find that it pulls away from the bracket and down along the bottom of the headlight. Once you have it pulled away, go ahead and wedge something in that area so you can remove one more Phillips head screw. That Phillips head screw is located right here. We'll get our ratchet in there with a Phillips head bit and remove it. Now the next thing we'll do is carefully try to get behind this area. Sometimes you can grab onto it and gently tug it away. Other times you might have to use a trim tool of some sort. We'll make our way up and in between, gently start pulling it away. While doing that, let's use some long nose pliers. In this hole, you're going to find that you have two little tabs that you can grab onto and squeeze together. That should unlock this, and now we can pull it away a little further. Now, as we swing it around, you actually want to take this area and bring it down. You can see it starting to try to come out of there. If you have to, you can use your trim tool. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new bumper bracket. Now, looking along this top area, you remember that we had this small tabbed area that went up inside the hole in the fender. Now I'll have a look at the backside. We have our two locking tabs. Those will fit into their corresponding holes in the fender itself. Let's take this, we'll come in from an angle and press it up into the proper position. Now we can roll this in and align those two locking tabs and press those in as well. Let's reinstall that Phillips head screw along the front of the bracket. Now we can remove our spacer and realign the bumper cover into the proper position. Now we can put in our mounting screw. Let's get that aligned with the mounting hole and put it in. Okay friends, we fully installed our front bumper cover mounting bracket. At this point, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.